everyone, Liz here with Stahls, and warmer weather is finally here. So I have some amazing heat transfer vinyl products from Stahls that is going to elevate your summer getaway look. So keep watching. I will be showcasing some heat transfer vinyl from Stahls on a variety of summer essential garments. And you're gonna have to stick with me because I did apply 2 garments and you'll get to see those at the end. So let's head on over to the heat press and start applying. The first item we will be heat applying is going to be a simple beach tote bag. So first things first, we are going to thread the bag onto our platen. For this, I am using the 11 by 15 interchangeable lower platen. We want to make sure that our handle seams are hanging off so we can create even pressure. And the product that I'm using is called Chroma Twill. It has such a beautiful finish and it has an iridescent look to it. So first things first, I am going to remove our carrier. And also, we're just going to give it a pre-press just to remove wrinkles and moisture. Next, we are going to take our Chroma Twill, and it has a sticky backing, so it will help with placement. Next, we're going to use our cover sheet. Chroma Twill is a cold peel, so we will peel it when it's no longer warm. For my next product, we are going to apply glitter flake onto this beach tote bag. But first things first, let's pre-press to remove moisture and wrinkles. Let's cover our graphic. Glitter flake is applied at 300 degrees at a medium pressure, and it is a hot peel. The product we are using for our bottle cooler is a CAD cut pattern. We are going to use a cover sheet for this. The print is applied at 300 degrees for 15 to 20 seconds at a medium pressure, and it will be a warm peel. Here I have Stahls pressure sensitive flex style emblem. I can adhere this without using a heat press. So first thing, I am going to remove the back carrier. There is a very sticky backing here. So we have a simple water bottle. We are going to go ahead and place it. And I'm going to apply some pressure. And I'm going to remove the carrier. Make sure you leave it on for 24 hours so that the adhesive is fully cured to the substrate. Now let's go over everything that we decorated. First, we'll start with Chroma Twill on our beach bag. It has such a great iridescent look and it's available in other colors. And I also like to recycle what I'm heat pressing on. So we use our same beach tote and we decorated glitter flake onto it as well. And it's eye-catching and it offers sparkle and shine. On our bottle cooler, this is a CAD cut pattern. As you can see, it offers a unique look and it even has a monogram that you can personalize for your customer. If you're looking to customize drinkware, the Flex Style pressure sensitive emblem turned out fantastic. So it's a great way to add a personal touch to drinkware, or it's a great way to add on to upsell your customer. Now I have 2 surprise garments that I applied off camera that I'm so excited to show you. I have this tie-dye bucket hat, and with it I use the Hotronix 360 IQ cap press. And this product is called Print Stitch. It is a sublimated patch that has an embroidery edge. So it could be a hat, a bucket hat, a sun hat, and using patches and emblems to elevate that look for your customer. And the other item that I pressed off camera using our Chroma Twill is a beach towel. I absolutely love how it turned out, the iridescent look. So when you're outside and the sunlight hits it just right on the beach, it's going to be eye-catching and your customers are going to love it. I hope this video inspired you to find unique ways to customize your customers' summer essentials. I'm Liz with Stahls, and if you like what you see, please head on over to stahls.com to start creating these looks. And like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and heat pressing advice. I'm Liz with Stahls, and I'll see you next time.